So today's unboxing is going to be completely different to normal. I'm in the city. Don't expect much to be in this box. It's a Dell Inspiron 15 laptop. It was offered to me at a good price, so I've taken it. Anyway, let's start this off. So I'll just get this open. Hopefully this won't give me too much trouble because I don't have a knife with me. Okay, so it's upside down, turn it over. Okay, so it's probably pretty standard, pretty well packed by the look of it. As you can see, it's from Dell. You get some different paperwork, support, probably warranty information, connecting, safety information. You know, don't eat your laptop. It's not good for your digestive system, things like that. So that's the laptop. So they put it in a nice little sleeve. We'll open it up and have a look at it. Okay, some more protective things. So yeah, this one's got a AMD Ryzen processor, and it's got AMD Radeon Graphics. So part of the reason I've got this is because my other laptops wouldn't even play H.265 video files. So power cable, there's nothing too exciting in here, so that's a very basic unboxing. I'll make sure this does turn on. We've got a power button top right hand corner. The thing's probably flat, seems like that's right. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll let you know if there's anything to watch out for, but that is a Dell laptop unboxing. Thanks for watching. Bye now.